Introducing the Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 5QT Pressure Cooker Plus Air Fryer, the ultimate kitchen companion that takes meal preparation to new heights. Combining the power of pressure cooking and air frying in one pot, this versatile appliance is a game changer for one-pot wonders and guilt-free fried favorites. Let's dive into the features that make the Ninja Foodi a must-have addition to any kitchen. Here are the key features of Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer. Unlock the power of Tendercrisp technology. Tendercrisp technology is the heart of the Ninja Foodi, allowing you to pressure cook your ingredients to perfection, locking in all the essential juices and flavors, and then finishing with a golden air fry crisp. The result: delightfully tender and moist dishes with a satisfying crispy exterior, all achieved in one pot. 9-in-1 versatility for endless meal options. With 9 versatile functions at your fingertips, the Ninja Foodi opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Pressure cook, air fry, crisp, sear, saute, steam, slow cook, yogurt, bake, roast, broil, and keep warm with just the press of a button. From savory stews to delectable desserts, this appliance can do it all, making it a true kitchen essential. From frozen to crispy in no time. Say goodbye to thawing time with the Ninja Foodi's ability to pressure cook frozen meats, defrosting and cooking them simultaneously. Once the cooking is complete, simply drop the crisping lid to achieve that perfect crispy finish. No more waiting, just delicious meals in a flash. Faster cooking with less fat. Experience the joy of faster cooking without compromising on flavor. Pressure cook up to 70% faster than traditional methods, allowing you to savor your favorite dishes in no time. Additionally, the air fry function lets you enjoy up to 2 pounds of French fries with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, making guilt-free indulgence a reality. Ample cooking capacity for family meals. The Ninja Foodi's non-stick 5-quart cooking pot can comfortably hold a 4lb chicken, perfect for feeding the whole family. Meanwhile, the Cook and Crisp plate can handle up to 4 quarts of your favorite fried delights, ensuring everyone gets a taste of their guilt-free favorites. Convenient nesting broil rack and easy-to-clean design. Enhance your cooking capacity with the nesting broil rack, adding an extra layer for steaming or broiling. Plus, the rack easily stores inside the cooking pot for seamless organization. Cleanup is a breeze as the 5-quart cooking pot and 4-quart Cook and Crisp plate are non-stick, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe. Make the Ninja Foodi your ultimate culinary partner. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 5QT Pressure Cooker Plus Air Fryer is the ultimate kitchen marvel that brings convenience, versatility, and deliciousness to your culinary endeavors. From tender, flavorful dishes to crispy, guilt-free delights, this appliance delivers it all with ease. Embrace the Tendercrisp technology and explore the 9 versatile functions to create an array of mouth-watering meals. Elevate your cooking game with the Ninja Foodi and redefine the art of meal preparation.